Hi friends, I hope you all are doing well and you all can hear me. So I am here at a government office over here and I'm here to update my Aadhaar card. Okay, so that is a government identity card that we have. So today's topic I want to discuss about the feminine and how you cause imbalances to your solar plexus. Okay, so solar plexus is the center of our power, and when someone tries to drain your power without a good reason, there is no reason to drain your power, there's only imbalance of power. So you have to speak up on it because change doesn't come by a leader and followers. Okay, change comes when each person comes into that leadership aspect within themselves, because the system can stop 4 or 5 people, the system can stop a few, but if everyone comes to that state of a balanced solar plexus, they will get resistance at every moment. Okay, so how can the system stop that? That is literally impossible, and that is the grand mission that all the twin flames are working on right now, to empower each and every person. So this is not just a movement of empowerment, this is also a movement of healing. Okay, so it is not an imbalanced power dynamic that is happening. Okay, so there's a healing that is happening and simultaneously the power balance that is happening. So today you see I'm not wearing any makeup, I'm just in my usual everyday normal person, normal government issues, I wouldn't say issues, jobs that we have to do. So here I came in this office and I noticed there is a office for a psychologist over here. This is a government hospital, and I went across the other side normally. And the psychologist, she's supposed to be a clinical psychologist. Okay, this person, whoever it is, but I don't think so. She's a healthy woman, because when I went and stood outside, she came out and rudely addressed me and told me that you're not allowed to stay here. Okay, so first of all, if you are in a healthy state of mind, a healthy mental emotional state, you're going to be polite. Okay, see, authority figures, why do we give authority to figures? Because they are at a certain level of mental emotional balance, right? So if this mental emotional balance is not there, they deserve to be authority. That is my question. What is authority? How do you define authority? Just somebody has a seat, that is authority? Authority refers to a certain level of status in your mental emotional balance. That is authority. Okay? So if these people do not have that kind of a status, how can you respect them? Okay, so what I did was I went and I complained to the management that I was being rude to. Okay, this person was rude to me, but because I wasn't aware that shouldn't move there, and this person should have made me aware or sent somebody and told me to just move aside. Okay, but behaving like this rudely is absolutely unacceptable, and definitely more unacceptable of a person who calls themselves a clinical psychologist. Okay, so this is how the twin flame union happens. Okay, it is not a romantic because see, marriage, romance, children, I think it is a kind of a escapism from the real issues that you are facing of the system. Okay, the system is corrupt, the system has issues. Okay, and so we crave for that romance, the twin flame romance or whatever it is. It is an escapism. Okay, the real twin flame union happens every day at your workplace. Okay, at your normal whatever job that you have to do. Are you able to keep your masculine feminine energies in balance, or are you letting people step over you and drain your energies? Okay, so this is just the physical aspect of it. There is another metaphysical aspect of it regarding power balance and relationship exchanges that I will talk about some other time, but this is the first and the most important aspect. Okay, so this is one example here, coming to a government office. I mean, systems are not functioning efficiently, everybody knows that, but why? It is because each one of us is not in our power, each one. Okay, if you just observe your week, do one exercise, observe your week. Okay, and during 1 week you see how many times you're giving your power away to your father, to your mother-in-law, to your husband, whoever it might be. Okay, and this 1 week you observe yourself, because there are two kinds of people. There's polarity in this world. There are people who take other people's power away, and then there are people who give their power away. So twin flame is about balancing the polarities on the planet. Okay, that's why we came here. So this is one example that I gave you of everyday event that is happening. Another example I would give you is like I purchased stuff from Amazon. Okay, and there is no quality control there. Okay, so I asked for a replacement or a refund, and they were not willing to give me that. Okay, I contacted that seller also, but I did my best to put the issue out there. Okay, I gave them a really hard time, and I've given them several complaints, and I've also got my refund for the fake product that I received, because it is the seller's responsibility to make sure that the customers get the right products, isn't it? Okay, only then the manufacturer will be pressured to create quality. Because if you look in the abroad countries, no, whether it is Europe or whether it is US, if the product doesn't have a certain level of quality, the product doesn't enter the country. The product doesn't enter the country. They have something called quality control. We don't have that in India. Okay, we don't have quality control in India, because Amazon focuses on a very seller friendly policy, and that seller friendly policy is too lenient, I feel. Okay, because the sellers themselves are not having quality control. So today I spoke about this. Okay, let's say for example in the next 2 months 200 people speak about this. How will that be? Okay, and the next 2 months 400 people speak about it. So the mission is all about the sign Aquarius. Okay, next year Jupiter is transiting Aquarius. So Aquarius is a people friendly sign. It is not about power being placed in a few hands. Okay, it's about each person coming into your power, and that creates twin flame reunion, my friends. It is not just the power balance between you and your twin flame. Okay, it is the power balance in your everyday life, because for that you require to keep the solar plexus balanced. Okay, so make sure that you take note of these things and just get out of those addictions, what we call romance, marriage and all. They can be addictions sometimes. Okay, so you know when the right balance of romance, love and marriage is, versus when these things turn into addictions, okay, which are escapism. So this is what I have to share with you today. It's 8 minutes, and I'll see you again next time.